life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never.
Hi, and welcome back. Here I'm going to show y'all the Japan Historics 3. I have the release, but I'm going to show y'all one of the vehicles. This is a 1975 Datsun Sunny pickup. It is an awesome piece. They actually put in some pretty good detail on this. It's the B120, by the way, for those of you who are sticklers. But anyway, I'm just super excited to have it. I'm going to take it out the package and let y'all enjoy the show. And I'll see y'all on the next episode.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room